I've been running my shop for the last couple of years on a pair of 12-volt Duracell 100 amp hour AGM batteries. After about 18 months, the AGMs had difficulty holding a charge, so I swapped them out for lithium iron phosphate. I'm Dennis. Thanks for watching. The relatively slow-turning vertical axis wind turbines I've been building and testing easily charge 12-volt batteries. I'm installing a new 12-volt 1000 watt inverter also with the intent of running one or more dehumidifiers to make water. The distribution panel here connects my inverters, charge controllers, and gauges. Going forward, I plan to use this power center exclusively for testing my VAWTs. That whole setup no longer runs my shop. As you can see, the new batteries have taken over that job. These are nice batteries too. I turn the battery switch off, open the distribution panel, and carefully remove the old batteries. These batteries may not run my shop anymore, but they sure got a strong bite yet. I gotta be careful. Disconnecting, reconnecting. It's all about safety. Here are my new parts again. Just like magic, they are installed. Technology is wonderful, isn't it? You can also see that I removed my favorite charge controller, the 40 amp EPEVER, as it is not to be used on lithium batteries. What a shame. Okay, let's go inside the shop. Here's the charge controller for the VAWTs. You can see dump load resistors, breakers, and lots of wires and gauges. The Picasola MPPT charge controller seemed to work for a time, but is no longer configurable. The buttons don't do anything anymore. This is my third failed Picasola. I would not recommend it. I'm waiting on parts to update and upgrade the VAWT charge controller. I plan to do a separate video on that later. Okay, here's one last view of the three-wing VAWT, slowly turning in the wind. The updated battery box and distribution panel look great. I love it. More power. Coming up, I'll focus on a home-built VAWT charge controller, wind and solar-driven dehumidifier system for extracting pure water from the air. I'm also working on a step-by-step video showing the construction of my lightest PVC VAWT. I'll talk to you soon.